Can it be possible to have a fit and fine body while lying in the bed itself? Yes, it can. You can still transform your body with exercises you can do right on your mattress, which provides a little extra dose of resistance. Here I am going to share a few abs exercises that can give you a flat belly from the comfort of your own bed. Before we go ahead with these effective exercises, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more weight loss and fitness tips. Plank for flat belly. Get into the push-up position on the bed. Bend your elbows 90 degrees and rest your weight on your forearms. Elbows should be directly beneath your shoulders. Clasp your hands. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your feet. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds and then relax and return to start position. It is best for core conditioning, specifically for abdominal muscles and lower back. It also works on glutes and hamstrings. Roll-ups. Lie flat on the bed. Stretch your legs straight and your arms straight above your head. Very slowly, roll up into a C-curve, reaching for your toes. Hold for a few seconds and uncurl your body into starting position. The key is to keep your feet on the mattress. If you have trouble keeping your feet on the bed, have someone hold your feet. You can bend your knees as you come up. It is always okay to modify. Pillow can be used in your hands as a prop in this workout. Bicycle crunch. Lie on your back on the bed with knees bent, feet on the floor and hands behind your head. Don't clasp your fingers. Press your lower back into the mattress and tighten your abdominal muscles as you lift your head, shoulders and upper back off the bed. Simultaneously, move your right elbow and left knee towards each other while straightening your right leg. Don't let it touch the bed. Draw your right knee back up and immediately move your left elbow and right knee towards each other while straightening your left leg. That is 1 repetition. Move your body continuously, as if pedaling a bicycle. It is one of the best workouts for abs. V-ups. It is a more advanced form of most abs workouts. Lie on your back with your arms and legs out straight. Slowly raise your legs and arms up, bending at the waist. Reach your hands toward your feet, creating a V shape with your body. While doing this correctly, only your glutes will be in contact with the bed at the halfway point of the exercise, with your arms and legs straight and your hands touching your toes. Hold this position for a few seconds to get an isometric contraction of your abdominal muscles. Slowly lower the body back down to the starting position. It works both the upper and lower abs simultaneously and also strengthens the lower back. Butterfly crunch. Lie down on the bed with the soles of your feet together and pull them towards your body, forming the shape of butterfly wings. Place your hands lightly behind your head but avoid clasping them. While contracting your abdominal muscles, lift the head and shoulders up off the floor towards the ceiling. Keep your lower back in contact with the mattress as it eases the pressure on your backbone. The closer your knees are to the mattress, the more tendency there is for the lower back to arch. So only lower the knees as far as you can allow the lower back to stay in contact with the mattress. People with tight inner thighs muscles may not be able to open the knees very far. Proper stretching is required for this. As compared to the usual crunch, this is a little harder to perform. It targets mainly your upper abs. Try these workouts and send your feedback in the comments below. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family. See you in my next video.